JDCap26 here. We're just do the tips and repairs and hobbies. And we've got another model we're going to do on the bench here. And it's Munster, actually, from the Flintstone series. You look that up on the web. Pull some of this stuff out here. And put the box over here somewhere. Well, it's pretty detailed. Let's open it up. Here's Lily Munster. I'm going to put it together. I'm going to have to use green stuff epoxy on this for the legs. And there's not much to put together, really. So we're going to do that next. So we're cutting open these bags here. And we've got a skull with a melted candle, it looks like. It's pretty cool looking. And let's see what else we got in here. Yeah, included some free stuff, which is pretty nice of the website owner, Jimmy Flintstone. And we got another skull here. Looks like it may be part of her leg. I don't know, I'll have to look in the instructions. No, I got two legs here. So let's close this up and put a clip on it. Put it back in the box. We don't need that. And, oh, this is already open. It's got some cool stuff in here. Jimmy Flintstone Studios. And here's his card right there. Want to see that? Got the box. He's got some really good models here he does. You should look on his site. And we're going to have to mix up some of this, so I'll be back. So we got some green stuff here, and we're going to cut a little bit off here. Let me do it with the scissors. I'd say about that much. Even that's a lot. Put it back in the box. Put it to the side. Take it, and we take the knife, and you want to peel off each side of this. There's plastic on it, like a cellophane covering, and you don't want to mix that in. You just grab the edge of it like this. If you can get it. There we go. There we go. Just sticks to itself, so you just want to mix it up like this until it turns a nice solid green. Okay. The warmth from your fingers will help it cure and get it mixed. And on these legs, there's some flashing in the back. Look for the flashing that you have to trim off. You do that with a knife. Okay. Yeah, that's pretty well mixed, right? Take half, cut it in half because you got two pieces. Make sure you put, the left leg on the left leg and the right leg on the right leg. So stick a little in there at the bottom here. And this leg, you're going to press fit it in. Like that. Until it squirts out the side, and you're just going to peel off the extra. The extra you're going to take, put in the front here. Like that. Squeeze it in. You don't want to give her an extra knee, so to speak. But squeeze in as much as you can like that. Put her upside down. Take the other piece and put it in there in the socket like that. And then take the other leg and gonna have to build her knee up, I guess, because the other leg needs more green stuff. So take it from the side, stick it to the front. There's going to be some sanding. You might want to have to get the file out afterwards. Yeah, so let's see, this part needs more green stuff on the side, and I'm going to mix that up. I'll show it to you afterwards. So you want to put the creases in on the sides here, like right there. You want to put the creases in, okay? And that's because, you know, her legs are folded in half. And then you want to go in and you want to scrape. That's part of her here, but on the inner arms here, there's some flashing. So you scrape that out. And just look for any flashing that's not part of the model. Like right down here, there's some. I'm going to get that out. And this will be very enjoyable to paint. It's going to be a challenge, definitely. So there she is. She's going to stand, she's going to be like that, leaning forward, like that. And here's a close-up of her. So we're going to paint this lily up next, and you'll have to see that in another video. Thanks for watching. Rate and subscribe, read the notification bell. And guys, you know, take it easy. You know, a lot's going on right now, and don't let it get to you. You know, take it easy. There's been other problems in the history of our country with viruses and things like this of this nature, and we got through it. Okay? So, you have a great day. Keep the faith, and we'll see you next time when we paint this. Thanks for watching.